So what do you do when you can't have all school assemblies inside? Go outside and check out a helicopter.
We're bringing a state police helicopter in for the students to witness and explore here on the school grounds. Well, first of all, we're having a whole school assembly, which we haven't done since before COVID, and we're also giving the chance to build some background for students when they read about helicopters. Now they'll have a chance to know what helicopters truly are.
This all-school assembly allowed students to check out the state police helicopter, state police motorcycles and cruisers, and get a chance to talk to state police officers. It was a beautiful day in a party atmosphere, and memories that'll last forever.
Excited to have all the students in one place. We have not had a chance to get all our students in one place since before COVID, so this is a chance to bring them all together, get the community involved. We got a huge community presence here behind us. The state police are here. It's gonna be a good time.
To see these kids so happy, active, and we ended up having a huge line of children, and they're jumping up and down, they're clapping their hands, having fun. The entire community has come out here to just connect with each other.
What do you notice? Vera, can you read any words?
For some of them, I'm sure it's going to make a real difference to have a type of connection that maybe they weren't sure they could even make with police before.
You know how to cha-cha?
Cha-cha, choppers, all for